Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Aditi and we talk all things interior in this space. So if you're renovating your place or trying to make it more beautiful and more functional, consider subscribing to our channel. I'd really love to see you here more often. Kitchen renovations are the most expensive of all rooms, period. But if paying for new counters, updating your backsplash, and switching out appliances fall outside of your budget, then there are a lot of other ways to give your space a sense of luxury without spending a fortune. From upgrading your cabinetry hardware to swapping out an outdated light fixture or even hanging an affordable piece of art, you'd be surprised at just how many budget-friendly kitchen design ideas there are. Trust me, even if you do just one of these things, your place will look instantly more luxe. So, let's get started. To create a rich, special place, consider how you can make your kitchen stand out. Layer unexpected and unusual elements like wall ferns, decorative accessories on shelves, personal mementos, and interesting textiles to create a unique design. Your home should feel like a place that reflects your own style and personality. So extend it to the kitchen for a completed look. Many kitchens lack the space to have additional furniture items. So, counter stools are often the only way to add personality to the room with furnishings. Opt for bar stools in interesting shapes and materials to add an unexpected element to your decor. If your space doesn't allow for an island or bar area, tuck a single small stool into a corner to not only create a spot to rest while cooking, but also to add another layer to your room design. Faucets have come a long way. Many large manufacturers are now offering them in a variety of shapes, finishes, and configurations. Swap your standard version for a unique kitchen faucet with a decorative finish that matches your cabinet hardware to give your space a high-end look. If you feel like your walls are lacking personality, hang an interesting piece of artwork in the kitchen to introduce color and texture into your space. Break free of traditionally accepted subject matter like fruit and vegetable still life paintings. Hang vintage oilworks or modern portraits to create a sophisticated vibe. Quick tip: paint the frames of your artwork of the same color as that of your cabinetry so that it looks unique, cohesive, and intentional. This simple kitchen design hack is a great way to completely revamp your space at a low cost. Remove your cabinet doors and hardware, sand down your cabinetry, and add a fresh coat of paint to the cabinets and doors. Choose a paint color that complements the rest of your decor and reflects your personality for a unique touch. Many expensive kitchens look complete. Create the look in your own space by adding intentional decor like fresh flower vases, knives, and utensil holders or cutting boards on the room's counters that make a high-quality statement even in an outdated kitchen. This simple tip doesn't cost a dime. If your kitchen is starting to feel dated or you're tired of its design, it might just need a good deep cleaning. And all of those beautiful designer kitchens that catch your eye are sparkling with clean, fresh vibes. Edit down the items in your space to remove any unnecessary clutter, then deep clean from floor to ceiling. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes to scrub your cabinets, polish your sink, and clean the grout on your backsplash and tile floors. If you have a collection of wine glasses taking up space in your kitchen's open shelving, opt for a wine rack instead to remove clutter from shelves and make your space look elegant at the same time. Many modern styles come in metal finishes that can suit a sleek kitchen, and a farmhouse kitchen looks beautiful with natural wood rack hanging above the island or installed below the cabinetry. We've all picked up spices and teas from various brands that come in very different packaging. For an affordable design upgrade, Find a set of glass tea or spice containers that suit the style of your kitchen, like woodlets versus metal and handwritten labels versus modern font. Switch over your spices and loose leaf teas from their old containers for an attractive rack that you'll be proud to use each time you cook. Rather than displaying snacks, oats, flours, or other daily food items on the counters in their original packaging, opt for a unified set of storage containers. By standardizing the design across your kitchen, you'll be able to keep these necessities on hand while upgrading the look for your space. Many heavy plastic containers can also replicate the look of glass on a budget and without any worry of damage if one gets dropped by your family members. We have often said that lighting is like the jewelry of a design because it adds the perfect finishing touch to a room. With this in mind, switch out your light fixtures to upgrade your kitchen. Choose unexpected shapes and designs for items with a little more personality to give your space a custom designer-inspired look. Add some greenery to your space and give it a lived-in, luxurious feel. Windowsill herbs are a safe bet, and they're not only beautiful but also functional. Place small pots scattered throughout the space and around the windows, or opt for a single large planter placed prominently on the counter or island. If your kitchen has both large drawers and cabinets, consider using different hardware for each to bring additional details into your decor. Use both pulls and knobs, but keep the finishes the same to prevent the look from clashing. Upgrading to high-quality hardware can make your cabinets feel revamped without splurging on brand new installations. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.